Welcome back. Pop star and AAP member Rama has decided to distance himself from politics. Padma Shri Rama feels that politics is enough to kill music in him forever. However, he has not submitted a formal resignation to the party as yet. This step by Rama on the face of Lok Sabha elections has raised various questions.
The pop star and AAP member has announced that he will distance himself from politics. He has announced it to social media. His recent post says, "I may remind you that right from the start, I categorically stated that I wasn't going to contest elections or aim at becoming a minister or MP. But the mindspace required in politics is full of politics, external and most unfortunately internal. Enough to kill music in me forever. My real passion is music. I must not strangle it by entering politics. I have therefore returned full-time to the first and greatest love of my life. I continue to firmly believe in the philosophies, principles and actions of Arvind Kejriwal. I am sure there are people as capable or more capable than me of bringing up. We spoke with the AAP member, Dr. Oscar Rebello.
म्हाका दिसना की फॉर्मली दिला म्हणून रेमोन रेजिग्नेशन. फेसबुकाचेर पोस्ट ताणें घातला की म्हाज्या प्रमाणे रेमो फर्नांडीस इवन इफ ही इज फिजिकली नॉट देयर विथ अस इज अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट मेंबर फॉर आप आनी आमकां केन्ना जेन्ना गरज पडटली ताजी फॉर एनी एडवायस फॉर एनी कायंड ऑफ हेल्प इन एनी सॉर्ट हें ऑफिस आसा पळय तें ताजेंच आमकां दिल्लें पळय तें रेमो आपाक लागून आसतलोच म्हणून आय एम एब्सोल्युटली श्युअर अबाउट इट. We are, as I told you, we are not professional politicians, so we don't know how to play the game. And to learn this game, it's a thankless job. So, yeah, many of us are tired, but be very clear about this, that we are there in for the fight.
Sources say that Rama Fernandez's this step comes following party's failure to offer him a Lok Sabha candidature. Our senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Crime Branch has filed an application before the fast-track court requesting to expedite the trial in Tarun Tejpal's lady journalist sexual assault case. The court took a dig at defense side for delaying the trial. On the other hand, accused Tarun Tejpal has filed an application requesting to provide him a notebook and a pen in jail. The court will hear this matter on 25th March.
In Tehelka's lady journalist rape case, Crime Branch on Friday filed an application before the fast-track court requesting to make appropriate direction to complete the trial within 60 days. Prosecution has pleaded that as per mandate of amended related law, trial of rape case should be completed within 60 days from filing of charge sheet. The charge sheet in this case was filed on 17th February and arguments on framing of charges are yet to begin. Accused Tarun Tejpal has moved an application before the court requesting to provide him a notebook and a pen in jail. Counsel for Tejpal has also moved an application demanding 57 specific pages of the charge sheet which are unreadable in their copy. The prosecution has agreed to provide those pages. Prosecution side, while raising a doubt over demand of a notebook and a pen, contended that Tejpal's activities inside jail have been suspicious. The court has asked jail authorities to file their say on Tejpal's demand. The court has directed IG Prisons to file its reply by next date of hearing, that is 25th March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Chowgule Warriors defeated Dempo Cricket Club in the Super 4 League. Dempo scored 168 runs. Chowgule Warriors completed the target within 19 overs. Chowgule's Asad Pathan smashed 99 in 63 balls. He was man of the match. This is Dempo's first defeat in GPL 5. Dempo has already entered the finals. GPL 5 final will be played on Saturday. GPL is live on Prudent.
Here we go with the first ball of the match. This time, shot, width on offer. Lovely shot there from Ravi Teja. This time, the sweep shot there. It will go for a boundary. Fine leg is inside the circle. Shot ball there and a slight fumble in the deep there. This time, stepping down the track. This will go all the way for a 6. Vishal Singh uppishly played straight to the captain of Chowgule's, a soft dismissal there. And this time another soft dismissal. This time full toss. That one will clear the fence easily into the crowds for a 6. This time a clean hit. This one will go over the fence. That's much better. This time straight down the ground. This time he clears it. It's going out of the ground for a 6. This time he's bowled him. So what a finish to the innings. Lovely shot there in the gap. That ball is racing to the fence. The placement was important there. This time straight down the ground. That one went like a rocket. This time staying on the pads. There is a fielder there, but he won't be able to cut it off. This time the ball has gone up in the air. There is a fielder coming underneath. The bowler himself. This time that ball has been played over the fielder at long on by Saurav Bandekar for a 6. For the situation of the match. This time that ball has been hit up in the air. Will it be taken? In fact, that's a miss there.
This time miscued it. Wicketkeeper Keenan Wan doesn't miss many.
Oh, he's been bowled for 99. What a disappointing end to a fantastic innings from Asad Pathan. This time there's nothing funny that's going to happen. That one has been hit straight down the ground. There is no fielder at long on in the deep. That brings us to the end of the match.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.